Summer is heating up, making now the perfect time to cool off with some of the latest pool gear.
Home contractor Skip Bedell joins us now with some of his favorite products. Skip, I hear you got the latest products. Share them. We're going to let you go. Go for it.
I'm here. People ask me all the time about my pool and my waterfall, so I'm going to fill you in right now. This is a JUAN fiberglass pool. I've had these on the show many times on the plaza. They come in over 100 different sizes and shapes. This is a patio pool, so it's half in the ground, half above. This is called a Sedona. It has stone on the front. It's unbelievable because it's completely ready to install. So when you order these pools, they show up ready. You go to work in the morning, you come home in the afternoon, and you're swimming. Unbelievable. You want to check out JUAN fiberglass pools and their site and all the different models they have available. Now, what you're seeing here is the Oasis Waterfall kit. This really transforms any pool, and it really brings the whole pool into the landscape. This is by Universal Rocks. So what's great about this is that it looks and feels and acts exactly like real stone. It's super durable. You can stand on it. You can beat it with a hammer. It looks just like real rock, but watch this, guys. It's super lightweight, and it's made out of foam with a polymer on the outside. So this allows it to remain really strong. It feels like rock. It looks like rock. The best part is it comes in a lot of different models, and you can install this on any type of pool. They have many different styles of waterfalls and rock kits, grottos, everything. If you check out Universal Rocks on their website, this has transformed my whole pool. I mean, this turns any pool into like a backyard oasis when you can see the water running like that, and it pulls it into nature, and the feeling of natural stone is really unbelievable. It takes it over the top. So after you have your pool set up and you got it looking great with the Universal Rocks, oh, I want to show you this too. Check out this boulder. Look at this. This thing is super strong, but watch this. Doubles as a cooler. How crazy is that? I love this. You got a boulder that's a cooler, right? How cool is that? I love the Universal Rocks. All right, after you have your pool set up and you got your rocks and your waterfalls, you want to keep the water looking clean and you want to maintain it. So rather than having a pool service do it for you, the CLOROX Smart Test Strip, this is really fantastic. So it's a strip that you dip in the water, and it works with a CLOROX app. So after you dip the strip in the water, you simply scan the strip with your phone. This will allow it to tell all different chemicals that you need for your particular water. And then the coolest part is you hit order, and all these chemicals show up on your doorstep. So it takes all the work and all the guesswork out of keeping your pool clean with the CLOROX Smart Test Strips. Unbelievable stuff. I've managed to keep my pool clean all season long. So easy. Just hit click on the app. Next, you want to see this. This is Super Soft Life Vest. I love these things for the kids. They're great to keep the kids safe. They come in extra small all the way up to 2X in adult. But the best part with these is that they're completely waterproof. They won't absorb any water. They stay dry all the time. And they're really comfortable for the kids to wear, so they'll keep them on all day. Also, these are what you're going to see in all the amusement parks, all the big resorts like Disney, SeaWorld. This is the same vest they use. And also, they make a ton of different toys, like the ring toss. They have adjustable recliners, great stuff for the pool. So this is one of my favorite things I have. We use all the stuff in their pool. So this is really great, you know, keeping the kids safe. And plus, they're having fun all day long. This is one of my favorite things, actually, the ring toss. Yeah. Great stuff from Super Soft.
Oh. You should bring that into studio
so much,
whenever
Skip.
we can come back. I want everything in studio.
This is not going to fit on me,
awesome.
though.
It'll fit on me. I'm tiny.
That might fit on my
just
baby.
remember, you got to head to skipbedell.com for more info. Skip, we appreciate it. As always, good stuff. More Fox and Friends moments.
Have a great summer.